Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Tire Deflator is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools for any off-road enthusiast or serious overlander, allowing you to precisely and rapidly reduce your tire pressure for improved traction on challenging terrains like sand, mud, or rocks, ensuring a smoother ride and preventing potential damage to your vehicle's suspension and tires when navigating difficult landscapes. Number 5. ROCGORLD R8 Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. Introducing the ROCGORLD R8, a powerful and compact portable air compressor designed for all your inflation needs. It's built to be fast, efficient, and incredibly easy to use. Experience incredibly quick inflation with its advanced 40L min cylinder. It can inflate a standard car tire in under a minute and even larger EV tires in just 1.5 minutes, making tire pressure worries a thing of the past. Our intuitive dual digital LED display shows real-time and preset pressure values, along with device status. This ensures safe and accurate inflation every time, eliminating guesswork. Constructed with high-quality materials and an optimal cooling system, this device is built for long-lasting durability. Its sturdy structure and premium cords ensure reliable performance, even with frequent use. Inflation is as simple as connect, preset, and start. It automatically stops at your desired pressure and remembers your settings for next time. Plus, its built-in light modes are perfect for nighttime emergencies. This compact inflator is designed for convenience, measuring just 2.79 by 4.92 by 6.49 inches. It comes with a handy carrying bag, making it easy to store and transport wherever you go. Your purchase includes the inflator, a carrying bag, various valve adapters, and a user manual. It's also backed by a 2-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This portable air compressor offers lightning-fast inflation for car and even Tesla tires, getting you back on the road in minutes. Its dual digital display provides clear, real-time pressure readings, eliminating guesswork. If you prioritize speed and convenience for everyday car use, this is a solid choice. What people say. The deflator is easy to use and works quickly. It is very accurate and reliable. The build quality is excellent and it feels very durable. Number 4. ETENWOLF VORTEX S6 Tire Inflator. Introducing the ETENWOLF VORTEX S6, your ultimate portable air compressor. It's designed for heavy-duty vehicles, cars, bikes, and inflatables, making it incredibly versatile. Experience ultra-fast inflation with this device. It can fill a 31-inch tire in just 1 minute, reaching up to 160 psi with impressive accuracy. Equipped with a powerful 19,200 mAh battery, it can inflate multiple tires on a single charge. Plus, its USB-C port allows for fast charging and powering other devices. Thanks to its dual-cylinder design and cooling system, you can inflate continuously without any breaks. It's built for demanding, non-stop use. This portable inflator stops automatically once your target pressure is reached, ensuring safety and convenience. It also features 7 preset modes for different needs. Don't let darkness stop you. It includes a 1000 lumen LED light, perfect for nighttime use or even as a camping lantern. What we like. This cordless air pump is designed for heavy-duty vehicles and offers incredible versatility with its large battery capacity. Its 100% duty cycle means you can inflate multiple tires without interruption, making it ideal for off-road adventures or large vehicles. If you need a powerful, reliable, and portable solution for truck or frequent tire inflation, this is the one. What people say. The deflator is very easy to use and works quickly. It is well made and feels durable. The adjustable pressure setting is a great feature. Number 3. Rhino USA Rapid Tire Deflators with Gauge. Introducing the Rhino USA Rapid Tire Deflators, your essential tool for off-roading. This American-owned, family-operated product is designed for ease of use and superior performance. Simply screw it onto your tire valve and pull back the collar to deflate. It's an incredibly easy and accurate way to get your tires to the perfect pressure. While deflating, you can instantly check your tire's PSI by sliding the collar back in. This feature ensures you achieve the precise pressure you need quickly and seamlessly. Experience the best performance with its heavy-duty, large 2-inch glow-in-the-dark dial. It feels solid in your hand and is easy to read, even in low light conditions. Deflate your tires to increase traction and ride comfort. An increased tire footprint offers superior grip compared to fully aired-up tires, and increased tire compression provides a softer ride. Constructed with solid brass hardware, this tool is built to last. It's the best off-road deflator for your Jeep, truck, or ATV, ensuring reliability on any adventure. What we like. This rapid tire deflator is incredibly easy to use, allowing you to screw it on and pull back the collar to deflate. It offers quick and seamless PSI monitoring with a large, easy-to-read glow-in-the-dark dial. If you're an off-road enthusiast looking for a simple yet effective tool to quickly air down your tires for better traction and comfort, this is your go-to. What people say. The deflator is very accurate and easy to use. It is well built and feels durable. The gauge is clear and easy to read. Number 2. LASFIT H4 Tire Inflation Deflation System. Introducing the upgraded H4 Tire Inflation Deflation System. It's designed for easy and quick inflation and deflation, ensuring a smooth experience on any terrain. With an extended wheelbase compatibility, this system works with a wide range of vehicles, from RVs and trucks to ATVs and cars. It's your perfect all-around tire solution. This system features a standard 1.4 NPT connector, making it compatible with most air compressors, including popular brands and CO2 systems. Get ready to inflate or deflate with ease. Constructed with high-density rubber and aerospace alloy, it boasts high-pressure resistance and is built to withstand tough off-road conditions and any climate. It's incredibly robust and rust-proof. Enjoy peace of mind with a 5-year hassle-free warranty from LASFIT Air. We're here to assist you with any questions within 24 hours. What we like. This upgraded 4-tire system allows you to inflate or deflate all your tires at once, saving significant time and effort. Its universal fit and compatibility with most compressors make it incredibly versatile for various vehicles, especially those with longer wheelbases. If you're an overlanding enthusiast or own multiple large vehicles and want to streamline your air management process, this system is a game changer. What people say. It is a very good product and works well. It is a very good product and works well. Number 1. Universal Adjustable Tire Deflator Kit. Introducing the Universal Adjustable Tire Deflator Kit, engineered to high standards for your vehicle. This kit offers precise control and reliable performance. Achieve the perfect tire pressure every time with its fully adjustable feature. You can easily set it to your exact needs. It operates within a versatile 6 to 30 psi pressure range, making it suitable for a wide variety of vehicles. This ensures optimal performance for both cars and trucks. We stand behind the quality of this product with a lifetime warranty. You can trust in its durability and long-term performance. Everything is neatly organized in a custom-made case. This ensures your deflator kit is always protected and ready for use when you need it. What we like. This universal tire deflator kit offers adjustable pressure settings within a 6 to 30 psi range, providing precise control for your needs. Its automatic operation makes it simple to use, and it comes in a convenient case. If you're looking for an affordable and reliable set of deflators for everyday car or truck use with the peace of mind of a lifetime warranty, this pack of 4 is an excellent value. What people say. The deflator is easy to use and adjust to the desired PSI. It is well built and feels durable, with a solid metal construction. The gauge is accurate and easy to read, providing precise tire pressure readings. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.